Okay, so we've restarted like 3 times, and I'm not going to restart it this time. We kept going without the video going, so we're just going to start recording. There were a few people in class that needed some help, so I asked the class, where do you start? And where do you start when you're trying to figure out the numbers? Multiplication. So what multiplies to negative 21 is where we start. So we wrote our x. You guys already did this, and you did a good job doing it. Then someone said, try 3 and 7 and make the 7 negative. So now we need to do 3 plus negative 7. Okay, we're trying to figure out the two numbers. Is this right?
No.
Why not? This gives me negative 21, but then that gives me... How do you know which one is going to give you positive 4 or negative 4? How can you tell? The bigger number gives you a negative answer when you're adding. I'll talk about that in a minute. That's a good question, Crystal. Well, she says, what about this exponent? Why is there 2 there, and where did it come from? Remember I told you guys I was going to teach you how to check it in a moment? When we check it, you will see where he comes from. I promise. It's actually P-Man. When you see multiplication, you add the exponents, and I'll show you in a moment. I promise. Okay, so we were talking about this. How do you get a positive 4 instead of a negative 4? No, if I make both of them negative, that's borrow $3, borrow $7, that's negative 10. Make the smallest number negative.
Got it. And then that's 4.
So remember, when you're adding and subtracting and you're dealing with integers, when the bigger number is negative, that gives you a negative answer. But when the smaller number is negative, that gives you your positive. Are you ready to write the answer now?
Yeah.
And what do we have? X minus 7 or plus 7? Plus 7. It's okay. And then?
X minus 3.
It's all right to make mistakes. I've made my mistake earlier, so feel free to give me what you think, no matter if it's right or wrong. We're family. We'll help each other through it. Do you want another one like this?
No.
Yes, because it was kind of hard.
No, yeah.
Yeah. I think we need another one, even though some of you are saying no. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it anyway. So let's do this one. X squared plus 3x minus 10.
That's easy. That is so easy.
This one is similar to the one we just did. And I probably should pause this.
Or no.
I think I'm going to stop it and then start the next one so that the class is not waiting. Okay?